Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download brother MFC-L2701D printer driver. Download and how to install the printer. Okay, so now you have to start your printer and connect to USB via your printer USB cable to connect your system, desktop and laptop. Then open any browsers to go like this, search in the like this brother and model number and download. Then you can see this first URL support.brother.com, this official website. So guys, try or always download from only official website, then click on it. Then this is the Windows, Mac, Linux also there. So Windows and Windows 11. If you are using Windows 10, so you can select this 32-bit also there. Okay, so printer installations process same. Okay, select this because I am using Windows 11, then click to OK. Now this is a full setup with the software, and this is printer scanner driver only. So click to here, slow down, then click to agree and download. After that it will start downloading. So it is completed. Then click this locations. Now you can see where it is downloaded. Open this folder, then right click to open, and it will extract on same locations. Create new folder. You can see JDI, then close it, then click to start setting, then click to Bluetooth and device, then printer and scanner, then click to add device, add manual, and click to last, and then next, then click have disk and go to locations where it is extract and created the folder, download, and this is open this, then select INF file and then click to open, then click to OK. 2701, find out, slow down, MFC L. So this series it will come MF2700D series. Then next. Now this is install and then finish it. Okay, you can see this printer is installed. Then if you want to share, and now you printing, so you have to you have to restart your printer and your system also before you printing. And then if you want to share, the click to share. Okay, same. If you want to share the printer on network, click to printers property, then sharing, check this. Okay, and then click to security, select the everyone, and then check. If you don't able to haven't everyone, so click to add and type EVE, and then check. After that it will show everyone, then click to OK, and they give the access. Okay, so all the give the access if you want to share the network. Okay, check this. Okay, and then click to apply, and then OK. After that you can see this is it will share in the network and find out in the network story, and then you can connect it to other system. Thank you.